I just broke my chair. That's coming out of the deposit nicely. Fuck! What's good, my big? What's good? I can't get the. What's good, my big sis? It's your boy, Kid Purge, aka KP, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the first installment. Fuck off! Before we get into that, it's been a while. Look, before I explain, fuck off! I'm not gonna explain why I've been gone. I've just been gone, alright? Fucking relax, okay? I didn't care. Why should you care? Why should you care? If you cared more about me being gone than I did, here's a number to help, okay? Please, seek help. Seek help, okay? Alright? Thank you. Now, let's get into the first episode of Fuck Off! That's the last time I do it with the intro, I promise, I'm sorry. Listen, Fuck Off is a series where I sit down and I just talk about things I don't fucking like. Now, this episode, being the first episode, it's a bit of a weird one because I'm 20 years old, I'm in university, I don't have to worry about this thing anymore. But at the same time, the amount of pain and fucking agony this has caused me, it's time for maths to fuck off. Listen, I feel like I could have made this video when I was in secondary school. I know I'm in university, but here's the question I have to ask. Here's a question I have to ask. That's how you speak English. Stop it, stop. Here's a question I have to ask. How does me, this person, get into university without a maths GCSE? If maths is so important, how did I do it? How did I do it? That's what I want to know. How am I here? How am I here in my own lovely house? Flat room. It's very small. It's kind of shit. I just want to know, when was the last time you've had to use the circumference of something, the area of something, had to use pi, had to use tan? Just doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Like, what does the quadratic formula of my Aunt Linda's asshole have to do with me? What does the quadratic formula of my Aunt Linda's arsehole have to do with my day-to-day life? Like, when am I gonna look at my Aunt Linda's arsehole and go, that's the quadratic formula of my Aunt Linda's arsehole? It don't make sense. Listen, if Qasim has 8 apples and then he gives 3 to Sarah, how does it stop the mass genocide of the kids that are outside my room because they're making too much noise? You know what? Be right back. I'm just gonna go and make some kids. Not the last time I said that. Guess who's going to jail? Going to jail. I'm just gonna do this for the officers when they come in. There's no point fighting it. It's a great first episode, lads. I'm already making jokes about kids. I'm not saying maths is pointless, but maths is pointless. Like, when am I ever gonna pick up a Tango Ice Blast and go, you know what, yeah? I found the area of this and it's 76. Why do I need to know the perimeter of my local Asda? I don't need to know. I just don't. Why does letters come into maths? Letters. If your dad plus your sister equals X, what does X mean? Probably means your dad really needs to go to prison. Alright? Whenever I tell people I don't have a maths GCSE, they're like, really? Like I'm dumb. Yes! Yes, I'm dumb. It doesn't mean that I don't know that £1.50 plus £1.50 equals £4.50. Listen, if you take the square root of 7 and you divide it by 7, does that mean my hairline will be fixed? Like, I don't know. Why do I need to know that 3.14 recurring is pi? No, it's not. Greg sells pie, alright? You're stealing his business, and why is it recurring? Recurring? It just keeps on going. Sounds like your mum on a Saturday night. Look, what I need to say is that maths caused me tremendous amounts of pain, and all I have to say is fuck off. Fuck off! Fuck off! Yeah.
video.